Hello and welcome to the show. This is Paul and Kathy for Freshwater Diver 1 with the Plus. Okay guys, I've just got all the red panels coated with the dye. Just need to run over those with the iron. So that's next. Hello everybody, Paolo here. So as you can see, the jacket has had all its red dye on. Okay, that's the Jacquard dye for this material. And synthetic material, and it does tell you on the back here about the temperatures you need and the duration of that temperature to make this dye set on synthetic fabric. So it's actually 3 minutes. I have an iron. Okay, so I've got the iron here which is set to synthetic, just hoping that's the right temperature, because the other way is to use a heat gun, which I have, and heat gun, well, it gets extremely hot, and I don't know if that's the right, if it's going to be the right temperature for this or not. So I'm going to use the iron. I feel safer with the iron, but I've got to hold it on here for 3 minutes. So that's 3 minutes. This is going to be a long time doing this jacket. So hopefully I'll cut the film so it doesn't take forever, guys, okay, because I'm reckoning about half an hour at least. But we'll do a couple of pieces and hopefully that's it set. What you've got to do, not directly, you've got to put some material Okay, an old handkerchief or an old piece of cloth like this, dishcloth here, and hopefully this is going to be right. It's not that hot. I could probably, yeah, it's not that hot. So it's quite a cool heat. That good job I didn't put the heat gun on. The heat gun would have been way hotter than this and would have melted the synthetic materials on this jacket. I'm not using the steam setting either. This is just normal. Okay guys, I've done the 2 pocket areas in the buffalo icon there. Just going to do this side now. There's a bit of a smell coming off this dye, not too bad. It's taking a while. I just hope it takes. I might actually use the heat gun on this just to kind of finish it off. We'll see how we get on. And once this is done, I've actually got to wash the jacket in cold water. I'm guessing that's just to get rid of any red dye that might still be, that might not be fixed. That could well be the moment of the proof of the pudding kind of thing, to see if I've done a good job or not. Hopefully I have. I'll come back to you in a moment. Okay, see you in a tick. Okay guys, so I've now decided to use the heat gun just to be extra sure, but if I get this wrong it'll ruin the jacket, so I don't think I will. I'm going to get it right. The idea is just to keep moving, not stop over one spot, otherwise it melts. Okay guys, the next thing to do is to put her into a cold wash in the washing machine, just for maybe 20 minutes. I think will be enough, and we'll see if any colour comes out. Okay, see you in a tick. Okay guys, so I just got to wash the jacket now, get any excess red out of it, so that, well, I wouldn't put this in with any other clothing anyway, but just got to get the powder in, set it to the lowest setting of maybe 20. Somewhere on here, it's just warm setting, so delicate. Yeah, minimum iron, 20 maybe there. Okay, I'll just turn the machine on, get my powder in. I won't bore you for that, and let's see what colour water it is when we open up again. about this, guys. It does tell you not to spin dry. Well, I want it dried quick, and then I'm going to waterproof it with the spray. Oh, that's just about finished. I think it's about finished, guys. Hopefully the door will open soon. Yeah. Okay, into daylight. And it's still, I can see it's still red. Good, good, good. That's a lot better. Wow. You can probably see here, guys, this is the, let me just show you. That's like the original colour. And that's the colour today. So it's not quite as red, but it's a lot better than what it was. Because it was pink, totally pink. Just have to hang it up, get the dehumidifier on it. Okay, let's, where's that dehumidifier? There she goes. Zoom it up. Is the power on? Yes. Okay. That should be dry in about half an hour. Okay. Alright guys, see you in a tick.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack.